Hello graphic designers, I'm your host Mr. Granlund, and I'm going to show you how to do some quick tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how to make a border. So anytime when you're making a game card, you want to have borders around all the important elements. So if we make a shape here, so I'm going to just take a rectangle and I'm going to put that rectangle over the entire card here. And I'm going to use a more visible color. This is great. Now I want to cut out a border on the inside. And so I'm going to go to my rectangle again. And I'm going to go to corner radius. And I'm going to set this to, let's do 20 and see what that looks like. I'm going to come in here a little bit and drag out a nice rectangle. Now this second shape, it's just the same. If I change the color, it'll be more visible. Okay? I want to cut out this shape from this shape. So I want to cut out the red shape from the green shape. I can do this easily by holding Control on the keyboard. And now I'm going to go to shape 1, so the green shape, and I'm going to click the Layer Mask button. And now I have a white border with a green fill, and I can invert this by going to Image, Adjustments, and Invert. So now I have a green border with a clear fill. And that's how you make a border. Sometimes people want to go the extra mile on this, and so you can, if you want to do some extra cool things, go right click on that layer. We're going to go up to blending options. And you can play around with beveling and embossing. You can have an inner shadow or glow or satin, change the color. You can have it be patterned or do a drop shadow if you want to add some special effects to your border. Just make sure that whatever decisions you make for your border, that you repeat those same decisions on the other borders that you have. That way the whole card will look more consistent. So what I like to do, when I've selected all the things that I want to do and adjusted them just right, you're going to click on Define New, and that's going to give you a style here, so that when you make maybe a new border, I'm just going to use the selection tool for this to make a quick border. And then I'm going to use the paint bucket to just fill that in. If I right click here and I go to blending options again, I can go down and select that same color or that same layer style that I had before, so that all my borders look consistent. That's if you want to go the extra mile. All right, enjoy that.